This is fun! Walking's easy. I'm so tired. We've been walking ages.
Now, squirrels! Just take it step by step. That's what I tell my babies. You lift one foot up, put it down, then the other foot, ooh, let it hit the ground. Put one foot in front of the other. It's easy to do. You gotta take it step by step. Step by step.
Step by step. We're really moving now.
You could do even better by striding. Want to stride? Here's a handy guide. Just stretch your legs like so. Then stretch again as far as you can. Keep up with me and go. Now lift your feet and take it step by step. Step by step.
Step by step.
No. Scuttling is the thing. Isn't it, Nigel? Nigel! Put your hands up and turn around. Scuttle your feet. Along the ground we move. In a sideways style, it makes us feel so alive. Just take it step by step. Just take it step by step.
Step by step.
Very good, Nigel.
Well, howdy, squirrels. Try trotting like me. You gotta stand up high, party sky, knees up, heels down. Let me hear those spurs hit the ground. Let's skip and jump and roll out. We're taking it step by step. In front of the other. Step by step. In front of the other. Step by step. Time to roll out, partners.
Newsflash, that's not walking. Waddling 101. Always keep one foot on the ground. Yeah! Check me out. Got my arms down low. Yo! My feet inside in right under. We tilt, lean. We're waddling. Boom! You have to take it.
One foot in front of the other.
Step by step.
One foot in front of the other.
Step by step. Now careful not to overlean, squirrels. We don't want anyone toppling over. Flippers.
Darlings, where is your poise? When I sashay, I have total control. When I walk, I own the road. I'm fierce. My look is bold. I'm elegant. I am the queen of style.